Ever pondered how to generate income online? How about revolutionizing your online income with an innovative approach? An approach that differs from traditional affiliate marketing yet has proven successful for many? Well, today is the day to discover the connector-based model. This isn't your run-of-the-mill affiliate marketing strategy where you share links and hope for the best. No, this is a sophisticated, effective way to create an online business and earn money online. So, what is this connector-based model? It's a collaborative system employed by successful companies such as Bankrate, NerdWallet, and Expedia. They don't create their own products or services. Instead, they leverage an affiliate hub, a system where various products are promoted, creating multiple streams of income. Imagine being the bridge that connects consumers to the products they need and want. As a connector, you're not just sharing a link, you're providing value, solving problems, and earning income in the process. Now you might be asking, how does this differ from traditional affiliate marketing? Well, in traditional affiliate marketing, you're usually focused on promoting one product or service. You're at the mercy of that product's success. But with the connector-based model, you're diversifying your income streams. You're not reliant on one product or service, and you're not just hoping for conversions. You're strategically connecting consumers with multiple products and services, and earning from each connection you make. Think of it as having your fingers in many pies rather than just one. If one product isn't performing well, you have others to fall back on. It's a smarter, more stable way to earn income online. Intrigued? Want to know more about how to implement the connector-based model in your online business? Visit hubinnovator.com to discover more about this innovative approach to online income. Just remember, the internet is vast and the opportunities are endless. Don't limit yourself to one product, one service, or one stream of income. Be a connector, diversify your income, and revolutionize your online earnings. The connector-based model is the future of online income, and you have the opportunity to be a part of it. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom with the connector-based model. Visit hubinnovator.com or click on the link below.